Sit about. Sorry.
We have to get in bed.
Alright, well no, you gotta sit forward and Garrett's gotta get rid of the cigarette. We're gonna do a professional, and
then I can look at my ugly face?
No, we're gonna do Christmas shots. And you can't like do the fucking redneck around her waist
It's
shit.
been 3 weeks since I've had sex.
Here, come on, dude.
3 weeks? It's been 3 months since I left you.
You're right, you're right.
It's been 3 months.
Yeah, they
I had no self.
Just trying to get against it.
Alright. And no, dude, you're not drunk. You're tasteful, not drunk, not fucking Myrtle Beach shit. All right.
I'm sorry.
There ain't nothing wrong with Myrtle Beach.
So there is, but
It's been 3 weeks since I've had sex. I don't really know what to do.
All right, we're not doing biker week here.
Well, apparently we are.
Who's Celeste?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
What's he bigger than Garrett?
He's the one that said 3 weeks.
Alright. I bet he was. Alright, anyway.
Yeah,
Alright,
I bet he was circumcised too. They must not do that, do they? Alright.
I had to beat off 3 weeks ago.
Great.
Alright. Sit forward. And like, Garrett. Alright, well, just chill. Alright. Here. Alright. I'm gonna do their code. Just try that again.
Are you ready?
Alright. No. Corey.
Who's that?
Alright. This is tasteful. No, look at the camera. Look at the camera, but not too close. No, this is like Christmas card shit, right? Okay, like the hair. It's gonna. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay.
What a...
Quick.